Ever dropped your Galaxy S26 Ultra and felt that instant wave of panic? Today we're looking at cases so tough, they practically laugh at drops and rough use. Welcome back to the channel. Stick around to discover the most indestructible protection available, and grab your favorite easily through the links in the description. The number 8 product on our list is OCASE PU Leather Flip Folio. A phone case can feel like a small decision until the day your expensive device hits the ground. That moment of silence before picking it up is something every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner understands. This elegant folio design approaches protection with calm practicality. Soft PU leather wraps the phone like a wallet, while reinforced edges cushion everyday drops and bumps. The detachable magnetic case adds flexibility, letting you switch between slim protection and full wallet coverage depending on the day. Card slots and a cash pocket remove the need for a bulky wallet during quick trips. The foldable front cover also becomes a stable stand for comfortable video viewing. The pros are stylish design, practical storage, and dependable shock resistance. The cons are slower access to the screen and a folio-style thickness compared with slim cases like Spigen Thin Fit. For users seeking practical Galaxy S26 Ultra protection, this design blends elegance with everyday utility beautifully. At number 7 is Poetic Drop-Proof Protection. A shocking number of flagship phones break within the first few months simply from everyday slips. That fear follows every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner. The moment your expensive phone hits the ground, your heart skips. This case changes that feeling instantly. Built with reinforced materials and engineered for a brutal 20-foot drop test, it absorbs impact like armor instead of letting the shock reach your device. The hidden magnetic aluminum ring stand quietly adds versatility, snapping onto car mounts and wireless chargers, while rotating smoothly for hands-free viewing. The included tempered glass protectors keep the display crystal clear while defending against scratches and sudden drops. The translucent matte back also gives the phone a sleek, modern look without fingerprints. The pros are powerful magnetic strength, excellent drop absorption, and practical stand support. The cons are slightly added thickness compared with ultra-slim cases like Ringke Fusion. Perfect for people who prioritize protection and everyday reliability. At number 6 is Dexnor Heavy Duty Rugged. Imagine hearing your phone slam onto concrete and realizing nothing broke. That rare moment of relief is exactly what serious protection should deliver. Everyday users worry about scratched cameras, cracked screens, and damage during travel or outdoor adventures. This rugged design tackles those fears with a reinforced military-grade bumper that absorbs shock before it reaches your Galaxy S26 Ultra. The sliding camera shield quietly protects delicate lenses from dust, scratches, while the foldable kickstand turns any surface into a mini theater for videos or calls. 2 front frame options add flexibility, one with a PET screen guard for full protection, another for those who prefer the raw display feel. The pros are durable construction, camera shield security, and reliable kickstand stability. The cons are added bulk compared with slimmer options like the Spigen Tough Armor. Ideal for travelers, outdoor users, and anyone tired of fragile cases failing when accidents happen. At number 5 is Ringke UX Magnetic. A single, careless moment can send a $1,000 phone sliding toward disaster. That silent panic is something many Galaxy S26 Ultra users know too well. The challenge is finding protection that does not turn your sleek device into a brick. This hybrid design solves that balance beautifully. A flexible TPU bumper absorbs shock, while the rigid polycarbonate back keeps the structure solid during sudden drops. The built-in magnetic ring locks perfectly with wireless chargers and car mounts, making everyday charging simple and stable. A cleverly integrated kickstand supports both portrait and landscape viewing, perfect for streaming or quick desk calls. Even the strap holes add thoughtful practicality for people who want extra grip security. The pros are slim durability, reliable magnetic alignment, and versatile stand support. The cons are less extreme drop resistance compared with rugged options like UAG Monarch. Ideal for users who want protection without sacrificing style or daily convenience. At number 4 is TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air. Most phone damage happens during ordinary moments, not dramatic accidents. A slip while texting, a drop from a pocket, a careless bump on a desk edge. That quiet risk follows every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner daily. This ultra-refined design answers that fear with intelligent engineering rather than bulky armor. AirMax airbag cushioning spreads the shock of sudden drops, protecting delicate components without making the phone feel heavy. Raised edges shield the display and camera from direct impact, while the crystal clear back keeps the beauty of the device visible. The rotating metal stand adds genuine practicality, smoothly adjusting for videos, calls, or creative work sessions. Strong magnetic alignment snaps firmly to chargers and mounts for stable, everyday use. The pros are exceptional magnetic strength, versatile rotating stand, and advanced air cushioning. The cons are slightly higher price compared with simpler, clear cases like ESR Clear Magnetic. Perfect for users who want protection blended with modern design elegance. The third one on our list is SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro. A single careless drop can erase months of excitement about a brand new phone. That quiet anxiety lives in the pocket of every Galaxy S26 Ultra owner. People want protection that feels serious without making daily use frustrating. This rugged build answers that need with a dual-layer shell that blends flexible shock-absorbing TPU with a rigid outer frame designed to disperse impact. Corner airbags soften violent drops, while raised edges shield the display and camera from rough surfaces. The included tempered glass protectors add another layer of safety while keeping touch response smooth and clear. A sturdy, retractable kickstand transforms the phone into a stable screen for streaming or calls anytime. The pros are strong military-level protection, secure grip texture, and practical stand support. The cons are added bulk compared with slimmer cases like the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Perfect for outdoor users and anyone tired of fragile protection failing. On number 2 is ESR Rugged MagSafe. A heavy drop should not feel like the end of your phone story. Yet many Galaxy S26 Ultra owners still live with that fear every day. The real challenge is finding protection that feels powerful without sacrificing daily usability. This rugged design solves that tension with a 3-layer structure that spreads impact through a shock-absorbing inner shell, while the reinforced outer frame resists scratches and sudden hits. AirGuard corners quietly take the force of brutal drops, while raised edges protect the camera from rough surfaces. The built-in magnetic ring locks firmly onto chargers and mounts, making snap-on charging smooth and stable. A cleverly hidden stash stand adds practical freedom for streaming, calls, and quick desk viewing. The pros are strong magnetic hold, durable multi-layer protection, and versatile stand angles. The cons are slightly heavier feel compared with slim cases like Ringke Fusion X. Ideal for users who want reliable protection with modern magnetic convenience. Now, moving to the last one is UAG Monarch Pro, Kevlar Black. A single drop from pocket height can destroy months of excitement around a brand new flagship. That risk is exactly why serious protection matters. This rugged design approaches safety with a layered strategy built for real-world accidents. A lightweight Kevlar-infused shell forms the backbone, reinforced by an armor frame and shock-resistant core that spreads impact across the entire structure. Sculpted corners and a hex pattern interior quietly absorb violent drops, while raised edges guard the display and camera from rough surfaces. Despite the toughness, powerful magnets snap securely to chargers and mounts for seamless daily use. The textured perimeter grip also keeps the phone steady in your hand during busy moments. The pros are exceptional multi-layer durability, premium Kevlar construction, and strong magnetic compatibility. The cons are a higher price and slightly thicker feel compared with lighter cases like the ESR Hybrid. Ideal for professionals, travelers, and anyone demanding elite protection. So guys, this was the video about these Galaxy S26 Ultra cases laugh at drops. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.